I hope traders and investors alike ended green yesterday. What another amazing trending day. For the second day in a row, our indicators we use in the Discord let us know, some of our sentiment indicators let us know that the market was going into a uptrend and we were grinding up. So this also let us know not to try any counter trend trades. The trends were just too strong. Myself, I traded the SPY 3 different times. I traded Facebook, ExxonMobil, and AMC as well. Some of our other members were able to trade stocks like Tesla, all from option flow. So let's talk about the SPY itself. So during the Discord at the very beginning of the day, I had so much option flow coming in. I normally don't trade right at the very beginning. I usually wait for a pullback. After Thursday's strong market trending day, I knew, plus expecting volume to die off going into a holiday weekend, I knew I had to get in early and try to make some money. Obviously, the SPY pays the bills. So at market open, we pushed up. I was able to, at this point, I was already into Facebook. This candle closed. I was able to get in here for a short scalp. Like I say, I was already into Facebook. The second trade, we pulled back. We took this trend line out. Was able to, I let it chop around. I noticed that it didn't have a whole lot of momentum here. This MACD was still heading down. Was able to get a push up here off of this little flag here where it flagged in. I was able to get a short trade right here. And the third trade was towards the end of the day. We actually thought the day was done. Low volume. The SPY went and broke out of this line that we had already had drawn. Pushed up. So I took a trade from here to the fib level. I didn't want to fight the chop. I was using Monday's expiration. Still very choppy. The decay sets into them. So I just took a trade from here to here. It's like a $72 per contract trade. Fairly quick in and out. So I traded Facebook early. So it opened choppy. Opened very choppy. But this candle here opened up above the 9 and 20 and shot up. I took this confirmation. I took the confirmation of this next 5-minute candle, this smaller candle right here. Got in here and we rode up. That was a nice trade, but you can see it chopped around right here in the same area. This line was previously drawn and was able to call this as a resistance level throughout the day. Very choppy, just like the SPY, but was able to push up in the afternoon. I didn't trade this in the afternoon. I was strictly on the SPY. But you can see this comeback, even a retest here of this same level. Push up, come back and retest. That would have offered this green candle here, would have offered another trade. You could have traded that up, got out, took your profits when you started to see the small candles, the wicks on this red candle. You could have took profits there. You could have got back in right there. So many opportunities. So let's look at AMC. In a market that was dying out, AMC was one of the only stocks that we could find volume on. So we caught this breakout right here. It pushed up, tested a resistance level, pulled back. I caught the confirmation candle right here. I got in knowing that we were at support, but I knew, seeing momentum coming in, I seen volume coming in, I had a good feeling we were going to continue to push up. Normally, I would have waited for this candle, for a confirmation candle to open over this, but I actually took this candle right here. A little risky, but we were able to push up here and just grind it up. I got out right in here. It was getting choppy. The IB was high. I didn't want to get crushed in the implied volatility. I was trading the following week strike. I was not in expiration day. I was not trading the Friday strike on expiration day. I did go out to next week. I also traded ExxonMobil, which we've been watching closely. I do these charts in the morning. Have had ExxonMobil in that list all week, talking about hitting new highs. ExxonMobil, I traded this flag right here. When this flagged in right here, that was my entry on that as it pushed up and got out. It did pull back. I didn't stay in it very long. It wasn't moving very well, so we didn't ride that one out that long. I do want to mention The IWM was outperforming the SPY. Very strong. I didn't trade this, but very, very strong. So if you notice, you look at the SPY chart and the rest of the charts, we went into this period where we consolidated. Very short consolidation here, consolidated right over. Let's draw this. These are things that you can look for. It's a little ascending triangle flag here. These are the setups what we're looking for right here. So you can see that breakout right there. And this is the kind of stuff we're calling all day long. We have all this on our charts, and we're calling different breakouts every day. We're also monitoring these breakouts to see if they have option flow behind them. Just helps in the decision making. So if you're looking at this and you're seeing a breakout of this little ascending triangle right here, and you're seeing massive flow, option flow come in to help support your decision and help support it on the move up, as you're seeing volume come in, just a big help to let you know, like, hey, go ahead and go. Or maybe you're not seeing ExxonMobil names or IWM names, but you're seeing names in the same type of sector. You know, it also helps in your decision making. Microsoft was really strong, had a lot of option flow coming on it, but it did fall a little weaker in the afternoon. It opened up really nice, but got a little weaker in the afternoon. You can see this dip was bigger than most, but it was vertical at open. It presented some nice trades. We have had in the videos for this week, we've been talking about steel stocks. Actually talked about Steel Dynamics on last Sunday's video, and we said that metal stocks looked like they were coming around. So we had a really nice trend up here all 3 days. Very nice trend. We've had nice trends on ExxonMobil. We've had those in videos all week. A couple others like MRO, really nice moves. Let's look at some of the retail names. So the Costco's, the Walmarts, the Targets have been severely beaten up here lately. Just some of the things we talked about in the morning before open was if the market was going to push, and we were pretty sure we were going to get a push yesterday. We have to trade responsibly. You never know. We like to trade the action, try to stay open-minded so you're able to trade the action, but we were pretty sure we were going to get a push. So we were watching these gaps here. You can see that same gap on Walmart. You can see a gap on Target as well. Some other names like Snap and stuff that we were keeping an eye on the back burner. Well, that's about all I have to cover today. So that gives you a recap and a look inside of our Discord, inside of our trading room. If you're interested in anything that you see here, if you would like to learn to trade, options, please reach out and see if we may be able to help you. Have a good day. Have a good weekend. Everybody enjoy this time off. Take a break from the market. Everybody needs it.